How to stream with high quality on OBS Studio. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to start streaming with high quality on OBS Studio easily and fast. First thing, go to OBS Studio. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down here and click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is go to the output option right here. Now go to click on streaming right here. Click on advanced, click on streaming. Now all what you have to do is go right here to preset and make sure it's on max quality and your profile on high, and also your bitrate must be 2500. And yeah, after you finish, go down here, click apply and OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.